Going on to this family, man. Back with another one. So, last video I showed y'all, I was fucking changing the serpentine belt and shit. And that did not fix the problem. So, I went in and fucking bought the whole tensioner, you know what I'm saying? Cause that shit was making a lot of noise. Difference. So you got a lot of spin in it. Alright. This one, not so much. So it was definitely time. I already pulled off the fucking belt. I already, like I said, put out the tensioner. And I just gotta put it back on real quick, put the belt back on, and see what else we got squeaking, basically. Cause this one down here, this motherfucker spinning out the ass too. Like I mentioned in the other video, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, spinning too much. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Out here in this cold ass weather. Gonna fuck my jacket up. So I keep that shit. Fuck around and watch this bitch. Fuck my pants up earlier today. And you got this little thing on the back right here. As you can see, it's a little DD motherfucker, so you know exactly what hole it go to, you know what I'm talking about? Just one big ass bolt. That's pretty much it. Being cheap, I know I might have to probably fix another fucking pulley. Not fix, but replace one. Remember that one I just showed y'all? That motherfucker loose as hell. But I'm just trying to, let me see. Especially, I ain't got really no leverage on this bitch. Triple check, you know what I'm saying? Always triple check everything. And we looking good, man, so. Let's crank this bitch up, see if we don't goddamn stop the squeak. Make sure you ain't got no tools or no shit laying around, get caught in your engine bay. I always do that. Fuck, I did it. Fuck my jacket up. I seen it coming too. Damn. Caught my jacket, caught my pants. I got no movement here. Still they causing me to fucking noise. Yeah, so I'm vacated. Let's see if about changing this one. Right here. Let's see. Right here, see my finger. See that we got it. Let's spit into it. That one doesn't. See what I'm saying? Alright. Spitting out the ass. So we're finna see about that. Ooh, that bitch was loose. There's no bueno. I can do it with my hand at this point. So get that bitch off. But I doubt that's the issue, you feel me? That. That's not gonna need to wash. But yeah, it was catching like this part right here. So you'll see the belt like folding on the edge, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why. There's a width difference for some reason. Like a fucking millimeter. Everybody back together. The O-ring. Buddy hit snow, got stuck. Stupid ass. Motherfucker ain't even goddamn four-wheel drive. Wash on front, this little thing on the back. O-ring on that motherfucker. So you see we got both pulleys replaced now. Yeah, lower idler pulley replaced. Alright, and we got the whole tensioner fucking assembly replaced. And shit. Hopefully that fixed the problem, you know what I'm saying? Cause if not, I bought some WD-40 to spray this motherfucker. This is the problem. And let's see if we can get this motherfucker sit here. Sound pretty smooth, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. That one sounds smooth too. Alright, so let's go ahead and throw this motherfucker, throw the belt back on there. And we'll see what we get. What's going on to this family, man? Check y'all back in. As you can probably hear, I'm in the Blazer. I'm going to get gas right now. But then hopefully I'll make it and don't break it, because I gotta take it to Midas so they can goddamn get me in. That was the earliest like date to get somebody in, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just let Midas see if they can fix this shit. Cause the harmonic balancer and requires a special tool that I don't have, and I don't know how to use that bitch either, so I was like, fuck it, I'm finna let somebody else get that shit off. I changed all I could, so now we here. So now I'm finna take it up here and see what they say. And hopefully get this bitch back on the road with a reasonable price, you know what I mean? I done spent hella money on this bitch, like a short amount of time. No cap. From parts to fucking parts. Put it in the shop for the fuel fucking regulator, fuel fucking sender, all that shit, fuel pump. So, a lot of fucking money they spent on this bitch. Keep in mind, gotta take this bitch across the country too, so. off from being stuck, and that shit costing me more fucking money having to get towed and shit. I still got my tools and shit still, you know what I mean? The Midas ain't too far from here, if I'm not mistaken. So, wish me luck. Drop the guy off. They say it'll be about 2-3 hours before we know exactly what's going on with it, before they pull it in, check and all that shit. So, yeah, Uber on the way. For the head back. Now I got another appointment at 1 o'clock. So, got a busy ass day, man. That's how I started. Well, the old girl is at the shop, man. Right here at the Midas. So, hopefully they ain't nothing too serious, you know what I mean? Cause that would suck. You know what I mean? But it's probably not, you know. It's still running, you know what I'm saying? Still chopping, so. Got me all the way here. Just fucking squeaking like a motherfucker. We need some spring up here.
Yeah. The snow's starting to go away.
Yeah, this one is a no joke.